Hey everyone, I'm here to talk about something that affects thousands of tenants across California. Your rights when you don't have a formal lease agreement. I'm speaking to you from the Martinez Law Center in Santa Ana, where we exclusively represent tenants in Orange County, Riverside, San Diego, and Los Angeles. First, let's bust a major myth. You don't need a written lease to have tenant rights in California. When there's no formal lease, the law automatically creates what's called a month-to-month tenancy. This means you're still legally protected, even if you only have a verbal agreement with your landlord. Now let's talk rent control. This is huge. Under California's Tenant Protection Act of 2019, many tenants without leases are still covered by rent increase limits. If your building was constructed before 2005, your landlord can only raise your rent by 5% plus cost of living, maxing out at 10% per year. Single-family homes might be exempt, but apartments and condos owned by corporations? You're likely protected. Here's what really matters for evictions. Your landlord cannot just kick you out, even without a lease. They must give you proper written notice. 30 days if you've lived there less than a year, 60 days if it's been over a year. And under AB 1482, after 12 months, they need just cause to evict you, like non-payment of rent or serious lease violations. But your rights go way beyond just rent and eviction. You have the right to privacy. Your landlord must give 24 hours notice before entering your unit. You have the right to habitable living conditions. That means working heat, hot water, and safe structures. If your landlord won't make necessary repairs, you can legally withhold rent or fix it yourself and deduct the cost. And here's something crucial. Your landlord cannot retaliate against you for exercising these rights. If you complain about repairs or report code violations, they can't raise your rent or try to evict you in response. Remember, just because you don't have a written lease doesn't mean you don't have rights. California law strongly protects month-to-month tenants. Document everything: repair requests, notices, communications with your landlord. Keep records of rent payments and any agreements you made verbally. If you're facing eviction, rent increases that seem illegal, or your landlord is ignoring necessary repairs, don't wait. Contact a tenant's rights attorney immediately. At Martinez Law Center, we specialize in unlawful detainer cases and fight exclusively for tenants, never landlords. Your rights are real, they're enforceable, and they exist whether you have a lease or not. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. Visit martinezlawcenter.com for more information.